How can you be more efficient in Microsoft Outlook when juggling email and your calendar? Hi, I'm Bjork, the Software Pro. In this quick tip, we'll look at how to save time by opening a new window to view your email and calendar side by side. Here's a common occurrence when managing your Outlook inbox. You receive an email to schedule time for a meeting, such as this one from Hayden, on scheduling time for planning our training schedule. Next, you switch to your calendar to check your availability and then switch back to your email to respond. And this cycle continues every time you need to check your calendar. Here's the quick and easy solution. Move to the navigation bar at the bottom left of your Outlook screen. Right-click on your calendar and left-click on Open in New Window. Now you have two windows. If you have two monitors, move your calendar window to the second monitor, and it's easily available for ongoing reference. Or if you only have one screen, you can either arrange your windows side by side or switch windows from your Windows taskbar. It's that easy to view your email and calendar at the same time. In this quick tip, you've seen how to save time and effort by opening a new window in Microsoft Outlook. For more tips on being productive with Outlook or to sign up for my tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/Outlook. If this training was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.